All right, guys, 2007 Chrysler 300C, 5.7 liter HEMI, baby. Factory converters, there. Then factory X-pipe right in the middle. Then he had some carbon TRs on it we did earlier in the year. And they were just too quiet for him. He said, I can't take it no more, I want more noise. So we put him some FLOWMASTER OUTLAWS, part number 815425S, the shorties. Right there. There's the part number. There'll be a link in the description for them. And then we did a rear muffler delete on it earlier in the year also. There and there. And some 5-inch tips out the back. Stainless steel double wall. There'll be a link in the description for all of this stuff, guys. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There's the carbon TRs that we cut off right there. Better? Much better. Yeah, it's a lot cleaner. A lot more louder. Again? Here's sound decibels. Again? Alright. Go ahead and back it out. So much better. A lot cleaner. You guys can see 5.7 HEMI. Let you guys hear on the inside.